Well, I'm sitting here with my '03 Tundra. It just flipped 250,000 miles. What are some of the things you should be carrying if you drive an older car or truck? You know, something over 100,000 miles, let's say. Well, I'd say one of the things you need to carry is some kind of code reader. Something real simple, just so you can know what your OBD codes are. That's one. How about a AAA card or some kind of towing service, because you know sooner or later it's going to die on you and you'll have to fix it. How about a set of jumper cables? Of course, everybody should be carrying those, but in an older car, it really is helpful. One of my favorite things to carry is a small selection of wrenches, ratchets, screwdrivers, sockets, you know, hand tools for the quick repair. With all those tools you're carrying, hey, you might want to carry a set of gloves. Make your life a lot easier when you need to fix something or change that tire. A good spare tire and all the tools you need to change your tire, and the knowledge to do it.